This is how you're going to make money online with eBay affiliate program. So you can earn commissions by sharing links to products already listed on eBay. First up, we're going to head over to eBay Partner Network. So we're just going to search it from the Google, and then you're going to click on partnernetwork.ebay.com. Now from here, you'll be able to see this thing that says eBay Ambassador, and then this one is for affiliates and creators. However, you're gonna take note that this one is for UK and US based users only. You're gonna have to click on join now right here, and then from this page, you're just going to click on join now. Then you will have to log in, or you're gonna have to sign up for an eBay Ambassador account. Like I said, you will have to make sure that you are a UK or US based person or user, because you're gonna have to enter your phone number right here, and these are the only two options. And once you're done filling in this field, you're going to click on you agree to our network agreement, and then just click on join now. Now you can search for popular products on eBay and generate a unique affiliate link for them. Share these links on your blog, YouTube, or social media, and when someone clicks on your link and buys anything within 24 hours, you get a percentage of the sale. And that is how you're going to make money online with eBay affiliate program. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.